I'm sorry, I'm talking English so bad. Ken don't listen, he's busy. I make little piece of video. This our trees with the snow. Maybe it's not snow, maybe it's steam. Uh-oh. This is Kent. Kent, say hello. Oh, he's a little busy. What you doing?
It's our job to clean the trees.
Oh, look around.
Yes, sir.
You will be busy all day.
I done my part. Next one's yours.
Oh, I really like this place. It's amazing.
So how long have you lived here?
Oh, 20 years I live here. Oh, this tree is so big and sky so blue. It's amazing. Right behind ice rink. This is wall with crazy pictures. Maybe we will go on the ice rink today?
Да.
What do you think?
Да, I'm ready.
You ready?
О, да.
Oh, you have so much snow on your head.
You're right.
Mm-hmm.
What is this?
Hat. Шапка.
No hat. Shaka.
Шапка.
Shapka.
Да. Cool.
Shapka.
Say bye-bye.
Poka.